Welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So this is new video. This new live video on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. This is part 7 live video on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. You see here, this is engulfing. If I get lower entry point, I'll place my trades, put option, call option, market is doing panics very fast. Yes, very nice entry point. I place my trade call option here because you see this is engulfing here, and here is another engulfing, here is another engulfing. So this zone is very strong zone, so that's why I wait for market to come down and get good margin of safety. In case market created weak candle, I will still win the trade, because this type of market you see too much wicks, so you have to be careful. Market is not usually creating weak candles, so you see this is winning trade. This is winning trade. Let's check another one. So let's just check here, momentum. Yes, this is momentum, but after this one market will reverse. After this candle, market must reverse, even though there is momentum. Only I will try to get good entry point. Yes, I'll try to get good entry point, because I know market must reverse here. Yes, I get good entry point because I know definitely here market must reverse or create weak candle, even though there is momentum. So market must reverse here. Why? Because of the breakout. You see, this is engulfing breakout, this is another engulfing breakout, this is another engulfing breakout, and this is engulfing zone. So that's why I know market must reverse here. That's why I place my trade call option. But you see momentum, so if you see momentum, you have to be careful to get good entry point. See, because it may create weak candle. So in this situation, try to get good entry point, because even market create weak candle, it will be in the money. You see, weak candle. That's why I told you I must get good entry point because of the momentum. Any time you are going against momentum, so you should expect weak candle. Don't place your trades anyhow. Try to wait for market to go down, then you place your trade, because if you place immediately, so market can create weak candle, you will fail. So that's why you see I place my trade here. Let me show you what I can see here. You see here, sorry, you see here market, this is a red candle and this is engulfing. Here is another engulfing, here is another engulfing, and here is another engulfing. So market break this area. You see market has break this, so it's supposed to reverse. It didn't reverse. Break this as well, didn't reverse, then come to this level, then I'm close at this zone. That's why I'm expecting market to reverse. I place my trade call option. So always try to analyze. Don't think engulfing candle is only one candle. You can, if you see candle with consecutive candle with the same color, then means it's engulfing. With the same color, here it's engulfing, here is engulfing. So that's why sometimes if you are not checking very well, you will not see zone to trade. Yes, here. So let's wait. Maybe we have another opportunity here after this candle. Because here is engulfing, yes, after this candle. Let's wait. So market is reversing. Yes, but you see gap down. So let's wait. But here is level. You see market rejected. I will place put option. This is zone, and the market touch and rejects. So I'm expecting this candle to be red, even though there is gap down. You see, I see strong rejection from this zone. Here market rejects from this zone, so that's why I place my trade put option. Here you see, let me show you what I can see. You see here, this is another engulfing, strong engulfing. Then market come to this zone, because here is the zone, the whole area here, and the market rejected from this zone. That's why I just place my trades. I can see rejection here strongly, then I place my trade put option, and you see this very strong seller's entry at this zone. So you see here, let's check another one. I took total 3 trades. You see, all are winning trades. So let's see whether we can get another opportunity. So here is down. You see rejection, 2 times rejection, and this is engulfing. Yes, 2 times rejection. So if I see rejection, so let's wait, because this one I'm not sure, because here is engulfing, but you see market rejected from the zone. Let's wait, maybe for the next candle. So let's wait. see rejection. Let's change another one. Call this one yes. Here, see, here is engulfing. See, engulfing breakout. Yes, engulfing breakout. Here, here is engulfing breakout. I place my trade put option because of the engulfing breakout. You see engulfing, you see another engulfing, see breakout with strong candle. So you should expect sellers entry strongly. You see strong sellers. You see strong sellers. You see this winning trade. So let's wait. I want to take one more trade. I took 4 trades now. 4 trades remain, one more trade based on engulfing zone trading strategy. As I have told you, this is part 7 and the strategy is fully explained inside my ebook. It's very simple strategy and it has good winner ratio if you understand it. So you see here, I'm late. If I get lower entry point, I'll place my trades because this is zone lower. Yes, I place my trades call option here because of this zone. You see engulfing, market come to this level strongly and create weak candle at the zone. So now you expect strong candle because here you see, let me show you. You see here, this is strong engulfing candle and the whole area here is the zone, engulfing zone. You see market rejected from the zone and close at the zone, create weak candle at the zone, then you should expect strong candle. So that's why I place my trade here with good margin of safety. When I wait market to come back down here, then I place my trade call option. So I took total 5 trades, all are winning trades based on engulfing zone trading strategy. So let me explain more so that you will understand. This is the first trade. First trade here, you see here, first of all, you see this is the zone, engulfing, sorry, This is engulfing. Here is another engulfing, and here is another engulfing. So the whole area here is a zone, because this zone touch this zone, and this zone as well. Sorry, this zone, this engulfing touch this engulfing, and this engulfing touch this engulfing. So all of them are in the same zone, and it's very, very strong. If you see this situation, then here I see rejection from this area, so I wait market to come down, then I place my trade call option here. Because of this three engulfing is very, very powerful, that's why I place my trade. And here the next trade here, you see strong momentum here, but I know it will reverse here with the weak candle. That's why I wait for market to come down. As I have told you, if you see momentum, even if you are expecting reversals, so make sure that you get good entry point, because it will not create strong candle, because this is momentum, no losing momentum. But after this weak bias, you see strong bias at the zone. Here you see market come back, and you see bias is trying to enter, because the momentum has already lose its force. So here what I can see, here you see this is engulfing the whole candles here. So as I have told you, if you see many candles with the same color, is engulfing, because if you switch this one 2 3 4 5 to 5 minutes, you will see this is only one candle, engulf only one red candle. You will see one green candle engulf one red candle. So that means the whole candle here are engulfing one candle, are engulfing. And here is another engulfing. I just told you. Now you see this zone, this engulfing touch this engulfing, which means it's powerful. And here is another engulfing as well, and this engulfing touch this one as well. And here is another one, and this one touch this one as well. So which means if you see breakout of this 1 2 3 4 engulfing, then anytime you should expect reversal. Anytime after breakout, you should expect market to reverse. So even though you see momentum, you see here is momentum, but I know here market will reverse. But I already told you the market will create weak candle here, so that's why I wait for market to come down, then I place my trade call option, because I know definitely market must create weak candle here because of the momentum. Anytime you are going against momentum, don't place your trade immediately. It's dangerous. Don't place your, sometimes it may create strong, but most of the time it will create weak candle. So don't place your trade against momentum. Like here you see 1 2 3 4 5 is momentum, but you see strong candle. It's strong candle, but not all the time market behave like this. Most, even at least 90%, it will create weak candle with momentum. So that's why you see this strong candle, because the trend is very long trend. You see long trend. Even if you see momentum, you can see strong bias because of the long trend. But here you see just trade started from here and no any retracement. You see, but here you see trend retracement, trend retracement, trend retracement, trend retracement. So even if you see momentum, market can create strong candle because of this retracement. But here you see only one retracement at the beginning. You see strong momentum. So that's why I try to get good entry points and place my trade. And the next trade number 2 here, number 3, I mean this one, I think this is the one here. This one you see here, why I place the trade here, let me show you. As I have told you, in engulfing zone trading strategy, there is touch the zone, there is close at the zone, there is breakout of the zone. It has three concepts. So here, this red candle is engulfing. After engulfing, here as well is engulfing. So I couldn't get chance to press my trade, but this one is engulfing. Then market go up. So when market go up, I wait after this candle open, even though there is gap down. I wait for market to reject from this area, because the whole area here is the engulfing zone. Here is the zone, like this one you see here, it is zone. Market close with the rejection, then you see market reverse. So here market touch the zone and reject, then I place my trade put option immediately because of the rejection. So that's why you see I place my trade here, because of this engulfing zone. You see, so that's why you see strong sellers entry. And this one, the number 4 trade here, this is number 4. So number 4 trade, what I see, I can see engulfing, another engulfing, and this engulfing touch this engulfing, and here is another engulfing, here is another engulfing, and this engulfing touch this one. So after breakout of the engulfing zone, then you should expect market to reverse. So that's why I place my trade here, even though without marginal of safety, but you see strong sellers entry, because I realize sometimes if you see strong candle here, strong candle here, strong candle here, you see, so you should expect strong candle at the opposite side. So that's why I place my trade put option. So the last trade number 5 here, you see this area, what I can see here is the same pair. After this engulfing again, market, so the whole area here is the zone, as I have told you. Market comes strongly and reject close at the zone. Why I didn't place my trade on this one? Because this one has no rejection on top. Sometimes it's very dangerous if you don't have rejection on top. It's more better to have rejection on top instead to have at the bottom. So if you don't have rejection on top, it's very dangerous. Assuming this one has rejection on top, no rejection at the bottom, I can place my trade. But no rejection on top, you just see rejection at the bottom, don't place your trade. Wait to see what will be the next candle. So after the next candle, I see weak candle, you understand, and here is the zone. Market come and reject and close at the zone, then create another weak candle, then I know market will reverse. I place my trade call option. So I place my trade call option at this level. So I took total 5 trades, all are winning trades based on engulfing zone trading strategy. This is part 7. As I have told you, I'm writing ebook which I have been explaining this strategy one by one in detail, and I have told you the ebook has consists many strategies, almost 9 strategies. All of them has at least 80 to 85 winner ratio. So if you have any suggestion or comment or question, please drop it in the comment section. I will say thank you, bye bye.